Shake it, and shake it, and shake it, and shake it. Can you spank it? Show me how you spank it. Come on. Are you watching yourself in your fish tank? Hey, Hunter.
What?
Spank it. Don't do that. You're going to hurt yourself. You going to pull out some teeth? Maybe you're going to be a dentist when you get older. Are you a big boy in your underwears?
I just feel.
God. Tool head.